Greetings. This is Elle Jones from Canada. We're here at the Jamaica Poetry Festival 2019. Big up, great amazement.
Big up, great amazement. Butch Banding and dance. Take the word and pass.
Keep it going as we welcome a very hard-working, multi-talented, upcoming poet with great aspirations. JPF 2019, please help me welcome Amaziyah the Great.
Bless up, Colleen. Good night, distinguished guests. Amaziyah the Great. Unfortunately, the tracks them not read, so I'm just going to do it a cappella and done. First, I want to name the bitterness. Like a toddler crying for mom's breast milk, I saw tears race down her bony face. She was pensive and motionless, like she was lost in space. She then broke the silence, screaming out, "I'm such a big disgrace." I quickly interjected, "Honey, what's wrong?" And she yelled, "Get the hell out of my space. All you men are just the same. Cheap lies, you all take love for a game. I hate men forever. I should have killed Trevor, yeah. Put a bullet through his brain. Baby, can't take this too far now. Are you drunk or insane? Craig, you're not gonna understand me. You can't feel my pain. I was raped when I was 9, which really shattered my mind. A decade after, I tried to move on to get myself back in line. I thought Tom was the best thing until he slept with my sister. So I had sex with his best friend, WhatsApp him the flipping picture. All my life I've been hurt, later started attending church, searching for comfort, but life grew worse. A few months after, she was impregnated by the comforting pastor, threatened to do an abortion or else her life would be disaster. I tried to convince her, telling her she's still precious and worth more than diamonds and gold. She says she still hates men, her heart is now cold. I offered a hug, she squeezed me tightly, saying thank you Mr. Kirkland for attempting to make me feel lively. But how will I live with the fact of knowing that I'm infected with HIV? The bitterness. And next one real quick, the one I name respect. Usain Bolt got bronze in London and some are saying sell out. Elaine Thompson lost the race, only for negative remarks yell out. Won't no expect sure respect because history was created. America bowed down to a legend, honor greatly appreciated. Hey, not just locally but globally, Jamaicans did it. Keep your negative remarks to yourself and don't even get close up with it. Be proud of who you are. I am the great one. To all our athletes and icons, I say congratulations. The problem I encountered every day with my own race, but mine and envy smiling at my own face. Sneakily, creepily want to take my own space. Mankind so unkind, ignorance frown face. Lovers gone below 0 degree, frozen cold state. Pensive in my thoughts, mind traveling zone space. My girlfriend won't even flex with me, vex with me. Says she want time alone space. I try to get her attention, focus on her phone face. Nowadays we can't even relate but display more hate. Anger escalate, too much alarming crime rates. Your moral slowly deteriorates, and that concern me. What kind of society gonna exist in about 2030? I don't know. Social media is like cancer, feeding on our souls, implemented to prevent you from achieving on your goals. Illusion and confusion make you losing what you own. Don't lose yourself, be yourself. Remember you're not alone. So go on, can I get some love now? Sorry, I guess you love your phone. Most of us don't understand how essential life is. We sit down and waste time and don't know what time really is. If only you understood how powerful the mind is, perhaps you'd comprehend how nonsensical hype is. Marcus Garvey say unite, so why we separate? Why we still a fight? Why so many hates? Can religion and politician make my people elevate? Like Marley, I'm saying one love. Them I go tired for see me face. Kingston like Marley, I'm saying one love. Them I go tired for see me face. Tell them precisely. That one name Pam. I know over the years, me say this mostly because I'm from the garrison of Spanish Town, Fraser's Content, Red Pan to be precise. Big up all of the people who turn out to come support this. Big up Yassas for make me the Sophia do this tonight because I'm truly elated and honored. My main aim is not just fame, I'm gonna stay in the bread like Myri did. Long walk to freedom, skanking easy just like Ivy did. Eye in the sky, so Ivy is. We're there to honor Edward Baum, Miss Lou, if you're wondering what time it is. My name is Pam. So all of the women them who go through the domestic abuse, we know say not a nice thing and we're there to burn out all of the ones them who oppressed and I make the woman them go through a depressing mood. The one named Pam. So they got the females them who strive excellence for independence. Pam was sad and sulky because Roy always made her cry. He was too busy being a boisterous bully, plus a sour selfish guy. She was somewhat bewildered as tears rained from her weeping eyes. Her relationship wasn't smooth sailing, so she told him goodbye. He yelled, "Hey, if you ever leave, damn, you're gonna die. I'm the one who makes you and I'll break you. Go on if you want to try." The nosy neighbor from next door shouted, "Somebody call police." She was by her usual spot at the zinc fence where she peeped. Mary was too busy taking a selfie to share a Facebook post. Then suddenly started recording and virally shared it most. The preaching pastor came praying, but counseling never worked. Pam ran away the following day when Roy was out for work. She later found Dick, who gave her firm attention. She enjoyed making love. Oops, no protection. A few months later, she was pregnant. Her baby father was around. Her mind went Googling, but Dick was never found. Billy shortly took her up and offered for her to be his bride. She was more than delighted and promised never to leave his side. He thought he was the baby's father, happiness evidently displayed in his eyes. Billy felt silly when he found out he wasn't so, and later committed suicide. Pam never had a good education. She sold back juice to make ends meet. A few months after she gave birth, she was selling her body on the streets. Life journey got intricate. She prayed and said, "Oh God, I can't take no more." A year after she bought a car, some people call her whore. She then later furthered her education because she knew she wanted to soar. Now can you guess and tell me who is that janitor at her self-owned clothing store? Tell her precisely. So the journey continued and it never stopped. I'm going to do one more real quick because... Precisely. Enough respect. I take the time out to pick up the sponsors, Come, JCDC, RAFM, all of the Facebook people in life, big up my Pick Them Nation, John, and tell them precisely, my cousin, all our other distinguished guests who come out to come support this. Now, but the dancehall, I'm in the poetry. And one of the reasons why I decided for the more of the poetic messages is because I feel I reach out more to the core of people's art than, you know, dancehall now will be in a state of mind where enough people even ever want to listen to dancehall music today. I mean, some of you people who traveling outside of Jamaica will find out, say, look for the nonsensical messages that I send across is irrelevant and it's deteriorating to the youth of mind. So that one in them dancehall poetry. Once upon a time, the message and the music make me read dancehall. So I tired myself properly, just to date dancehall. Entertainment history was so much fun and excitement as I chased dancehall. I chased dancehall. Goose pimples invade my body as I fell in love and could not escape dancehall. The music and I became one as my plan was to stand, expand and escalate dancehall. This might seem random, but seriously, I need a condom because the music industry gone infected since them rape dancehall. Enough of them are some hurry come up done, so I appreciate the pioneers and veterans who create dancehall. We are the dance. I, Amaziyah the Great, speak immense volume for all those who appreciate dancehall. So I tell you precisely, it's Amaziyah the Great. Enough respect, I do one more and cut because there is a time we go through some struggles in our life and it's really, really rough. If there were times in life, I make mistake, nobody feel like say, you are the worst. And there were times in life when I make some mistake, nobody feel like say, you are the first. When you did make some money, I'm tell you say emerge from then. Sufferation starts, see it and I'll work again. Your girl if you want gone, oh my gosh, she splurred my friend. I want to hear them. I say it really hurt my friend. You have some careless girl on the road, so I'm gonna call it jerk again. It's up to you still if you really want to go in a church, my friend. See the guns and load them out. Me know I hear say them you burst again. Learn from a mistake, cause you still not the worst, my friend. If there were times in life you do something stupid, but I feel like say you are the worst. This girl jump out of school and for real, me did vex for that. Me did that by her side, I'm gonna give her some progressive chat. Girl, time I get serious, get involved in some successful acts. Few months time she breed, too much sex to that. She don't know to pick the father end up on a few guests for that. Her mother kick her out of the house and say look somewhere else for catch. She tell me she want dash to the belly. Me say no, you John are blessed for that. You have life, of hope, see success. Girl, stretch to that. Enough respect Kingston, tell her precisely. 1 minute. You can follow me on Facebook Amaziyah great music, Instagram at Precisely Great. Colleague, think of yourself and have respect to yourself and the whole team, precisely.
It's quite good, huh? It's full of lyrics.
Yeah, you enjoyed it?
You spoke from the heart, but a difficult subject. So I appreciate that.
With my respect. Blessings. Today, actually, I'm about to performance great. Dance today.
I'm good. I heard you perform. You were fire.
Really a great performance. I think the themes were about real life experiences and especially about the empowerment of women, which is so important for us at the High Commission of Canada. We support Jamaica and all it's trying to do is to uplift women and young girls.
As a number one, and it only just begun.
Yeah, blessings. Pleasure. Honor for everybody. Appreciate it.
Artist Delroy Melody. I represent the whole of Spanish Town. I guess I know this is the diamond them. Say the diamond in the rough, but we are shine and we need to shine because in our art we come to correct the lies them when them tell we in the book and on the walls. So look out for Artist Delroy Melody. See, listen.
Psalmist, David said we're at the Poetry Festival 2019. Great show, you know what I mean? I'm enjoying the atmosphere with great people.
All the way from Canada.
Yeah, man. All the way from the ancient future. Yeah, we met in 2015 at the Nassau Grill Summit in Harvard in Toronto, Canada, Harbourfront. Big time thing, 15 different countries where one club represent, courtesy of the Canadian Arts Council. And we wanted a poet to promote a festival and then search and find the I&I. And we're going to link thing now. We said, listen, we have built a bridge between the people and we have bridge between the sociality. And so, help from love our energy and come up. You understand what we are saying? And we say, even we are bringing you forward. Let me tell you something. L is at Poetry in Motion on Sunday, February 23rd in Remanded. You got that? You want to repeat? L. Jones from Halifax, Canada is already booked for Poetry in Motion over 17th annual staging Sunday, February 23rd, Manchester, Buffalo, Mandeville. So start wearing the British shoes and yes, give thanks to sister. We feel honored, you know what I say?
She's also a poet.
And if you talk to him and soon or early, nobody be like me brethren, the psalmist, you know. Now, we have to send this up and on, now people and people make sense. And I said, yo, Frankie. So me I said, well, brother. My family, I'm telling you, yo, we do the thing on the man. Sure. I tell you. case of what I can like.
No!
Amaziyah.
Your man,
Send my email.
your man, you have to speak one word of God. You will speak words of fire.
Yeah.
Honor. Then I explain.
Big up Great Amazement, Butch Banding and Dancing. Get the word and pass.